Okay guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements, and today I'm shopping at Dollar General. So let's go inside and see what they have. Okay guys, so I see these tubs that they have. They have some pretty cute tubs, but they're a bit steep. Like $15, that's a bit steep. But they are cute. Alright guys, so we got footwear. Look like real comfortable footwear here. And guys, check out the game that they have. This size is on sale. Well, I don't know if it's a sale, but it's like $4. And that's a pretty good deal. To me it is. And guys, this is like a new fragrance from Game for the fabric softener. I've never seen this before. It's Fresh Water Sparkle.
Oh, hi guys.
So I might give that a try. And again, it's $4. And guys, they have videos. A lot of the videos look kind of old, but they have videos. Now this particular video ain't that old. A Prairie video. That's $5, and that's not bad for this video because this just came out, I guess, a couple of years ago, if not last year. Okay guys, these are some really cool stickers. Check this out. These are really cool for $1. So what are these? Happy faces? And then you have hearts. That's cool. Alright guys, so they have a whole lot of school supplies. They have some really neat things. I see some markers that they have for $2. Pens and pencils, of course, that everybody needs. There go some stickers for $1. That's not bad. Calculators, glue. And they got some pretty cool folders. These are really cute. They're really cute. I like these. And guys, this glue is really neat. It's different color glue. What is this? Clear, green,
and pink.
It's pink. Say hey.
Hi guys.
Guys, that's my 4-year-old. Oh, that's pretty cute too. I like this. What is this? A journal. These are pretty cool journals. And they got some pretty cute rugs. I actually like this one. The pink one is really cute. And the blue one and the brown one is not so bad either. That's neat. And the prices are, I would say the prices are okay. And guys, last but not least, here's the floral section. So the flowers that they have are okay. I do like the sunflowers. They don't have a wide variety, but I guess it's okay for this store. So anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for shopping with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.